Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the items that I'm currently wearing from First Health Apparel. So thank you so much First Health for sponsoring this video. They're based in Canada and they have like super cute activewear. They gave me a code for you guys to use. You can use the code Bailey15. And I guess we'll start with this super cute yellow, I think it's called blonde. I got the sports bra and then the matching biker shorts. They sent me 2 different sizes just to kind of figure out what I am. I'm hoping the lighting's better right here. But this is a size 2 and I absolutely love this. I love long line sports bras. It fits me really snug, which I like in my tops. This is my favorite yellow. It makes me look tanner. Like I swear I'm not this tan, but holy cow. And I love the like neckline, like how it looks almost halter. It's buttery soft, like I'm obsessed. This is honestly probably what I'll end up wearing to the gym because it's just so fun and bright. Cycle shorts in blonde, which is like the pastel yellow. The lighting, you can't really tell. This is a size 6. No front seam, and I'm not even having like much bunching right here. Tummy control, it's basically just fabric right here. It does suck you in a little bit, but it's not like thick ribbed waistband for compression. And then right here it is digging in a tad, but I feel like you can easily stretch that out. But right here fits perfect. I love this length in shorts. It gives me more coverage. They're very soft, like I said. It has a seam right here. I definitely think the 6 is better than the 2. I haven't even tried the 2 on and now I'm kind of like nervous it's not gonna fit. But yeah, I think these are very flattering. Like holy cow. And as a set, super cute. Next they sent me these ribbed biker shorts in the color mocha pink. I got these in a 2 and the yellow ones were a 6. So I definitely should have gotten a 6 or even like maybe a 4. That's like a good in between. Luckily they're longer since they're like biker shorts, so it's not as bad. It's just kind of like a little too tight right here. It has good tummy control on the waist since I did go so small. Has like no seam down the middle. Has a gusset, and I'm not even I'm not getting any V outline. Like yeah, amazing. And then the back is so flattering, like holy cow. It goes into like this really nice dip. Love that they have the option for like biker length, just because I prefer this length over shorts. Just don't want your cheeks hanging out at the gym. So I love this length. I love this color. It's like a nice buttery soft rib material, but it's not too thick to where it like compresses the backside. This is the rib sports bra. I believe it's in like a cream or an ivory. I love this top. Like it has built-in pads, so you could literally just wear this to the gym. You don't have to pair it with a sports bra. I got this in a 2 and I'm glad I did, just because you guys know I like my tops to be tighter. And it's like the same material as the shorts. It's just this really nice, smooth, soft rib material. I'm obsessed. Okay, so next I am wearing the Elevate joggers in the color Stone. And I got these in a 2. I am absolutely obsessed. Like these are, I'm not kidding, buttery smooth. Holy cow. And like the quality is just absolutely amazing. I have this in a color called Cloud, which I am wearing on the top, and we'll definitely have to snag. Like I feel like even though these are joggers, they still are very flattering on the backside. They've got this drawstring so you can tie the waist if the waist is too big. And then I'm pairing it with this top in the same collection. It's the Elevate long sleeve top in the color Cloud. So I definitely want to get the joggers in this color as well. And we'll definitely have to be snagging more of these tops because this top is same material as the pants, the buttery smooth, and it also has a built-in bra, like with padding, so you don't have to like wear a sports bra underneath. It just makes getting ready for the gym a lot easier because your outfit's simple, you know, you don't have to go and find 50 million different pieces. Like it's 2 in 1. And again, you can save money using my code Bailey15, so I would definitely take advantage of that because Yeah, I'm obsessed. And then if you like get hot and you want to roll it up, you can make it like a 3/4 sleeve. This is a size 2 as well. 3 pairs of socks. I love these. Like, it just says FH for First Health, their logo. Very cute. I have been needing more socks like these, so thank you so much First Health for sending me these and these super cute items, guys. Definitely check out their site. I'll have everything linked down below and my discount code. Alright guys, so I just worked out. As you guys saw, I just went to my apartment gym. I figured it was easier. And I was just doing upper body, so it had everything I needed. And then I got tropical smoothie. I got an island green and then added whey protein to it. Since I just worked out, I want to have protein. And then I got their super green Caesar wrap. And then I just leave out the tomatoes, and then their chips, the salt and vinegar. But it's actually really good. Like, it's high protein. Kale in the wrap, so not too bad. But this is my lunch. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take this little immunity shot. It's ginger and cayenne. I'm not good at shots. I can never take the whole thing. So I have to do a whole nother round. It's like really spicy, but like really sweet. I don't know.